Yo, yo, yiggity, yo. Oh, new intro. Wait, this is the Scarlet Blue Railway. What the? Why is the shed destroyed? What is it? What? Why are you? Where are you? Why do you not have a brake van? Oh my God, Henry. Hooray. Where is your brake van? Surely this will be fine. Surely Renee's will be fine, right? Right? Oh my God. Nothing bad ever happens to the Scarlet Louise. What the? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Trucks that were remaining on the track.
He's dead, isn't he? Hello. Help me. Smudger. Meow. I like clouds. Truck. Gently, gently. Oh my God.
Come on, come on. He called to the coach. He pulled as hard as he could.
Dang it.
His wheels. Passenger cars first and the freight cars next. We're the only train on this line, so we should be right. Okay.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm supposed to get off at this stop. Oh, a siding. Okay, that's fine. Where are you going?
Little engine pulled into Crovan's gate.
What kept you?
Gordon asked.
I'm sorry, my colleague died? Oh, snap.
Seem a bit distracted, Gordon.
I am distracted.
He was right.
Sir, I'm in need of another, disciplination. Oh, God. Yes. Yes, Clyde.
Yeah.
I know a good solution.
Make some arrangements.
Oh, no. Ah, yes, the Scarlet. What? You're not introduced. Neither are you two. Why is Smudger here?